on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. How you guys doing today? Your boy is back, feeling better than ever. We had a little setback, but we are back, guys. We are back. So for today's vlog, I wanted to show you guys my drive shaft that I received from Shakkarob. We finally got that back, and yeah, guys, when I tell you this thing came out amazing, this thing is nice, guys. So if you guys need your drive shaft done or need anything drive shaft related, I definitely recommend you guys hitting up Shakkarob. I'll put his information in the description, and I also put it here. So I want to show you guys that real quick, and we're gonna be installing some BC coilovers today. So that's gonna be today's video. So real quick, guys, I wanted to show you guys this drive shaft, man. And we got the 1310 joints all around. We got the nice aluminum bearings and 3-inch piping. And then we also have the innovative Freelander drive shaft brackets that go underneath the car. That's what's gonna be holding this. So we got those from Innovative. So yeah, guys, this is the drive shaft. But yeah, we got it, man. This is good for some good power, man. So we'll be good. I don't think I'll need anything else after that. And then also today, we are going to be installing our BC coilovers. Yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cameraman ready, and let's go. Alright, guys, so I went ahead and measured them, and they're all the same. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on the car the way they are. And once I'm able to drop the car down on the ground, I'll be able to make the finer adjustments and make the ride height exactly where I want it to be. But for now, we're just going to put it on like that, and we're going to start with the front. So let's get it. So we got the 10K spring rate for the front, and I'll show you guys that rear spring rate real quick. And we got the 14 for the rear. So yeah, let's get it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the process. So before we get started, I need to take off this guy. And of course, I left all this loose because I knew that this was gonna have to come off. So we got our coilover and the fork. That's all the way on. Put this guy in here. I'm just gonna bolt this up on top. I'm probably gonna have to get the jack. Get some assistance here. Let me try to put this up. Cast one back on the top. All right, let go. Wait, don't let go. Hold on, let me tighten this top one real quick. All right, you can let go now. All right, guys, and we got our first one installed. And for this up here, we got this little dress-up hardware. Damn, that shit got real tight. Alright, and that's how that's gonna look. And then we're gonna go to our passenger side and do the same, and then we're gonna put it on our rears. And let's get it. I'm gonna try to see if I could just drop the top and then just push down. Let's see. Let me just release the top here. All right, let's see if we can put this guy on. Yeah, that was a lot easier. And I can just pull this up. I think I'm gonna need the jack again, but yeah. Alright, that one is installed too. That was a lot easier, guys. So I just dropped the top and worked my way back into the thing instead of having to take the whole thing apart. So yeah, and I just gotta put the top hardware on. I almost forgot. All right, that's done. Got that done. And all we gotta do is the rears, and we are done, guys. So let's get right into it. So for the rears, EK hatch, you gotta pull this apart. So you pull this off, it has 2 screws. And then you gotta pull your speaker off. So we're gonna pull that off as well. We're actually gonna set that right there. And then the screw holes are right there. So they're exposed. And then the same thing for this side. And the same thing. It's exposed now. So let's get right into it, guys. I have to drop this down. Alright. Let me go put the screws on the top. I'm gonna hold that right here, bro. Just hold it, pushing it up. All right, guys, so we got the 2 screws up here already on, and now that's left is right here, and put the bolt through. I'm gonna need your help. Put that bolt through. There we go. All right. And we have our rears on, guys. It was easier than the front. And now we just have to do the driver's side and we are done, guys. Let's get it, let's get it. All right, and the last one that we're gonna do is going to be the driver rear side. So let's get it. All right, we got all our 4 BC coilovers installed. Got the front and the passenger side. And the rear. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I will keep on posting. I'm gonna keep on making videos. We're getting closer to the finish on this car. I think now what I need is next is going to be fuel, take the car to get fabrication done, and just very minor things, man. We're almost getting there. I can't wait for the day that we first started up. We are getting closer and closer, guys. But always, I appreciate all you guys for watching. Stay tuned, we got more heat coming up. And by the way, guys, I'm also doing a couple raffles on my Instagram. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm giving away some free parts. I know you guys are already subscribed. I know you guys are already doing your part. But if you guys want some free parts, man, just head over to my Instagram account. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways, so peep that out, man. Have a good one, guys.